In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can search for people on Pinterest. Okay, so step number one is to load up Pinterest. And then once you've done that, what you need to tap on is this little search button at the bottom bar over there. So I'm going to tap on that. And then you'll see at the top here, it says search for ideas. Now you can type people's names in that search bar as well. So to do that, I'm just going to tap on it and then I'll type in a name, for instance, this name right here. And then you'll see some people, but you actually want to tap on the search button right over there. And then that'll bring you up a whole bunch of pins related to that keyword. But then you want to tap here where it says profiles at the top. That will load up and then you'll see all the different profiles with that name. So all the different people who have those specific accounts. And then you can tap on the one that you are looking for. And you can go ahead and follow that particular person or whatever you would like to do. If that's not the correct one, you can go back, you can find it, or you can also just tap the follow button to the right of the person's name right there, and then you'll be able to follow them that way. So that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.